The following video is a virtual demonstration of the Rosmech Scarab Mistral Isuzu Fsr. This vehicle is a combination of an Isuzu Fsr 12 to 14 tonne variant cab and chassis, mounted by a Scarab subframe and hopper. Its interior is primarily that of a standard Isuzu, with a few notable modifications. One of the most significant inclusions inside the cab is the Scarab CAN bus panel. Scarab's CAN bus control system has revolutionised the way sweepers are operated and maintained. Intuitive controls and conveniently positioned colour monitor provide comprehensive levels of feedback to both the operating and service personnel. A graphical display indicates the sweeping configuration and conditions of the vehicle systems, including warnings and regular service reminders. Real-time monitoring and data log provides valuable assistance in resolving problems and achieving optimum machine performance. Scarab CAN bus includes universal connectors for fitment of a GPS and the option of real-time data via telematic uplink. Further benefits include illuminated symbols when sweeping functions have been engaged, a more compact, less intrusive console and door pod with improved ergonomics, and simplified chassis wiring, thus minimising errors such as short or open circuits. The other notable inside cab feature of the Scarab Mistral is the conversion of the steering configuration to dual steer using genuine Isuzu components, including a second steering box. The benefits include lighter and more precise steering than a cross-shaft dual steer conversion, and is better for the life of the road sweeper, and gives greater manoeuvrability around objects like cars and road or site obstacles. Moving on now to the exterior of the vehicle, starting on the left-hand side. It's immediately noticeable that this side of the vehicle is equipped with a variety of sweeping apparatus and componentry attached to the Isuzu chassis, as well as the Scarab subframe and hopper. Located on the chassis, directly between the cab and the hopper, are such notable components as the cab tilt isolation switch, work light, battery isolator, gutter broom electric tilt card, and hand wash. Directly surrounding them is the gantry. Its primary use is for mounting options such as auto greaser, a fire extinguisher, water meter, shovels, and brooms. The Isuzu Mistral is fitted out with the very best in sweeping technology, including its highly versatile gutter broom. This enables variable speed, position, pressure, and tilt adjustments, which in turn covers off everything that an operator may need to tackle all sweeping environments. This operates in collaboration with the vehicle's suction nozzle. Its main purpose is to suck up debris swept into its path by the gutter broom. This is mounted in a trailed frame running on 250mm diameter rubber-tired wheels. The suction nozzle is either 740 or 840mm wide, dependent upon specification, and is fitted with replaceable and adjustable rubber flaps and a skid plate. A 250mm diameter suction hose connects the nozzle to the hopper. Flat to ground clearance is between 25 to 30mm, resulting in a long flap life and less need for adjustment. 5 manually adjustable water spray jets are fitted to the nozzle at 90-degree intervals to provide an internal dust suppression spray. Additional water injection nozzles are available when required. An optional 4-jet water boost bar can also be fitted in the front of the suction nozzle for use in extremely dry conditions. A tilting mechanism, controlled by a hydraulic ram, enables the suction nozzle to accommodate large objects or autumn leaf build-ups with ease. It has 3 suction speeds: off, environmental, and boost, which are all adjustable via the engine RPM. Slightly above the gutter broom and suction nozzle is the hydraulic systems cabinet. Its main purpose is to protect and/or give access to the hydraulic systems if necessary. Underneath the chassis is where the sweeper's wide sweep broom lives. This broom comprises of either 320 or 400mm diameter, dependent upon specification. It has replaceable polypropylene segments and is powered by a direct drive hydraulic motor. The assembly is fully floating with shock absorbers to prevent bounce and is fitted in a trailed linkage to ensure parallel and even brush wear. Variable brush speeds are provided and optional up-down brush pressure control is available upon request. As demonstrated here, the hopper is controlled primarily by way of the hopper pendant, which is located inside the cab. It's attached to a flexible cord which allows the operator to bring it with him when he exits the cab, as well as allowing him to stretch it to suit whichever angle he needs to be in around the vehicle, whether that be so he can see the hopper raising or the rear door opening. To raise and lower the hopper, the vehicle's auxiliary engine must be running, unless the electric over hydraulic option has been added to the vehicle, in which case starting the auxiliary engine is not necessary. You can see here the exact same process is applied when lowering the vehicle's hopper, with the obvious difference being the hopper lower button should be pressed on the hopper pendant rather than raised. Like the hopper raise and lower functions, the rear door is also controlled by the hopper pendant. The hopper's rear door is reinforced with heavy duty seals, as you can see here. All inlet tubes are fitted with automatic blanking flaps, and an easy to clean swing down filter screen is mounted in the top of the hopper immediately below the suction fan. Totally constructed from corrosion and abrasion resistant stainless steel, the hopper is fitted with large access doors on either side. In this shot you can see the deflectors. The deflectors deflect and slow down material so that it's contained in the hopper. When the hopper isn't full of swept up material, like leaves and dirt, it can also be used for storage, to safely hold useful equipment. Here's a demonstration of the hopper pendant's flexibility. When closing the rear door, it incorporates an automatic closure system, which clamps the door at 3 points for a watertight seal, and body drain fittings for removal of excess water. The vehicle has a frame-mounted 200-litre steel fuel tank and a lockable fuel cap. It should be filled strictly only with diesel. This side compartment pictured is the vehicle's tool locker, where tools and other equipment can be stored. The Isuzu Fsr is Euro 5 compliant and has a gross vehicle mass of 14 tonne, 12 tonne optional, and is powered by the 7.8 litre diesel engine with an output of 191 kilowatts at 2,400 RPM. The Cummins engine is more durable and quieter than conventional engines as it runs at a lower RPM and therefore is more fuel efficient. The Scarab Mistral is a modern version of the traditional auxiliary engine sweeper and combines Scarab's renowned sweeping technology with the power of the Cummins B3 turbocharged diesel engine. The engine works to complement Scarab's compact design and their hydraulic drive system that powers all the suction and sweeping applications quietly and economically. Their unique drive system also eliminates the need for complex drive belt arrangements or gearboxes and therefore less wearing parts for maintenance. Pictured here is the dipstick location. Located on the right hand side of the vehicle is the system's locker. This houses pneumatics and electric sensitive components. The vehicle is fitted with a low pressure water pump. The water is pumped through the water manifold and controlled by electric solenoids. So if you're in the market for a top quality and reliable road sweeper that'll solve all your cleansing needs, look no further than the Rosmech Mistral Isuzu.